1 o'clock in the morning. It's early start, but it is going to be worth it. Oh, we're
Good
on.
morning.
We're on.
Can I chuck this in your bag?
Yeah, of course. How you going, old girl?
Well, that driving. I've nearly had my creamy breakfast up.
Oh, I'm right there with you. We're about to have breakfast. It's, what time is it?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock in the morning, so awesome.
Morning.
All right, so yeah, these are our new friends from Holland. Hi. Yep. Sammy. And yeah, that was a very interesting drive-in. And we've got the banana pancakes and the coffee, so hopefully that makes us feel a bit better because I'm a bit nauseous. But yeah, I don't know what's next. Hopefully no more driving, hopefully just a trek up the mountain. That would be nice, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, I've been given the torch. You got your torch? And we're heading off into the bloody unknown. You literally can't see anything, so I don't know how much of this I can film, to be honest with you. See how we go. Here we go, guys.
Sweaty.
A quarter of the way. We're a quarter of the way there.
Yeah. I thought,
How flattering.
I honestly thought it was going to be like just a road up a hill, but it's proper trek.
Is this your first hike?
Could be. I think it is. So,
Welcome.
So we're at the viewpoint in the morning. What do you think, Sammy?
Morning.
Pretty bloody good spot. Look, it's a pretty tough trek, to be honest with you. It's a lot tougher than I expected. But, definitely do it. Oh, I'm pretty sure, is that a gung behind us?
I beg your pardon?
Is that?
What are you doing?
That's the best view I've ever had.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Mount Batur is a currently active volcano. It's 1,717 metres above sea level and it last had a major eruption in the year 2000. It takes about 2 to 2.5 hours to get to the top, but for views like this, it's worth every little step.
Right, so one thing you should know is that it's all loose rock paths. It's pretty tough trekking, so it's definitely worth every little bit for that view in the morning. But the road up is just as treacherous as the road down, and it takes a while to get your footing, slipping and sliding, and a lot of dangerous little spots. But honestly, the views are that incredible. And you just feel so rewarded after doing such an amazing trek. This is what you got to do when you're in Bali. Don't just stay in Kuta and do the same old, same old. Get out, do some different things. See the views like that. Oh, what do you think, guys?
Really tough, really tough.
It's actually quite challenging, isn't it?
Yeah, it's challenging.
yeah.
My first time, but I love it.
So Mount Batur, the trek up the mountain, and visit a few craters, watch the sunrise. It is phenomenal. It's definitely worth doing. We had a couple of people with us and we just got to go off by ourselves, which was awesome. So if you can do that, that's great. Get away from all the tourists. But at the end of the day, I definitely recommend this one. It's probably not for the faint of hearted. It's a lot harder than they probably tell you. Things are pretty tough up there and coming down as well. So definitely give it a go. But very enjoyable. Get it done. Mount Batur, Sunrise Trek.